In this video, we will see how to change the design in CodeIgniter without messing up all the coding. Go to the file location in cPanel. This is a project developed in CodeIgniter. Check the application folder. The design files are located inside the Views folder. You need to identify the files to modify. Let's assume that you want to change the design of the homepage. You need to know the location of the design files. Check the root file to find out name of the homepage controller. It is home.php. Move to the controller directory. Click Open home.php. Index is the default function in this file. Here you will find the view file. It is index.php. You can edit this file to modify design of the homepage. Let's see another example. Try a different page. You can see the name of the controller file and the function name from the URL. Click Open the controller file. Search for the function. See the views file associated with this function. Now edit the view file as per your design requirements. This way you can revamp your entire website. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon to get new video updates.